Best advice you could ever get about how to pre-order the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. Tech all information. Everyone is buzzing about the upcoming iPhone 14 and Pro, but are you wondering how to pre-order them? If you're ready to ditch your old iPhone and upgrade, then this article is for you. We'll be going over everything you need to know in order to pre-order the iPhone 14 and Pro. In this blog post, we'll explain everything you need to know about the new iPhones and how to pre-order one. We'll also answer some frequently asked questions about the new phones. If you want to upgrade your phone before everyone else does, keep reading. What's new about the iPhone 14? The iPhone 14, or XS as it's also called, is the successor of last year's iPhone 13. While last year's model was a significant upgrade from the iPhone 12, the iPhone 14 has even more to offer. Here are the biggest innovations that the iPhone 14 brings to the table. A new design. While last year's iPhone 13 had a similar design to the iPhone 12, the iPhone 14 is completely new. It has a rounded edge glass design that looks surprisingly similar to the iPhone 12. The only real difference is that the speaker hole has moved from the top edge to the bottom edge. A new operating system. The iPhone 14 comes with the new and improved version of the iOS operating system. iOS 13 offers a lot of new features, like new ways to interact with your device. The new version of the OS also comes with improved security and better battery life. A better camera. The biggest difference between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 14 is the camera. The iPhone 14 comes with a better camera that takes even better pictures than the iPhone 13. The only drawback is that you can't use the flash with the new camera. The iPhone 14 Pro is the highest-end model that Apple is currently selling. It comes with a better camera and a larger screen than the iPhone 14. The biggest difference between the two phones, however, is the processor. The iPhone 14 comes with the new A13 chip, while the Pro comes with the A14 chip. The A14 chip is more powerful than the A13 chip, which is why many people are pre-ordering the Pro model. If you want to get the best iPhone available, you should definitely pre-order the Pro. The regular iPhone 14 is still a great phone and a great choice for many people, but it doesn't come with the Pro's A14 chip. How to pre-order the iPhone 14? In order to pre-order the iPhone 14, you need to find a store that's selling the phone. You can do this by searching the name of your city in Google. For example, if you're in New York, you'd type iPhone 14 New York into the search bar. Alternatively, you can ask your friends and family members if they know where you can pre-order the iPhone 14. If you don't know anyone who owns an iPhone, you can also check online stores like Amazon. If you pre-order the iPhone 14 online, you can expect to receive it on launch day. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus will be accessible for pre-request beginning today and will cost $799 and $899 separately. The iPhone 14 will be all the more generally accessible on September 16th, while the iPhone 14 Plus will hit stores on October 7th. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be accessible for pre-requests beginning today and will begin at $999 and $1,099 individually. They will be all the more broadly accessible on September 16th. FAQ. Frequently asked questions about the iPhone 14 and Pro. Do I need to pre-order the iPhone 14? No, you don't need to pre-order the iPhone 14. You can wait for the phone to be released, and then buy it from a store. The only benefit of pre-ordering the iPhone 14 is that you can get it on launch day. What is the difference between the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro? The The main difference between the two models is that the Pro comes with the A14 chip and the regular iPhone 14 comes with the A13 chip. Will 14 support the latest and greatest features of the iOS 13? Yes, the iPhone 14 comes with the new version of the iOS operating system, so it supports all new features. Can I use my old iPhone case with the iPhone 14? Yes, you can use your old case with the new iPhone 14 model. Apple has not changed the design at all, so all old cases will still fit your new iPhone. Where can I pre-order the iPhone 14? You can pre-order the phone from any store that carries iPhones. Alternatively, you can pre-order the phone online. How to pre-order the iPhone 14 Pro? In order to get your hands on the iPhone 14 Pro, you need to pre-order the phone. There are several online and offline stores that are currently taking pre-orders for the phone. Before you decide where to pre-order the phone, you need to decide how much you're willing to spend on it. The iPhone 14 Pro is currently selling for $1,099. If you want to spend that much on the phone, you need to decide where to pre-order it by the 19th of September. If you can spend less, you can pre-order the regular iPhone 14 for $999. Conclusion. The iPhone 14 and Pro are two exciting new phones from Apple. While the two models are very similar, the Pro comes with a more powerful processor. The two phones are expected to sell very well, so you need to act fast if you want to get your hands on one. The best way to do that is to pre-order one as soon as possible. We hope that you found this article helpful and that you now know everything there is to know about the new iPhones.